So I genuinely believe that this is the best affiliate marketing for beginners video that you're going to see this year, because I'm going to allow you to have a complete done for you service where I inject a proven $1,000 per day affiliate marketing business into your life. I'm going to give you all the email swipes, the videos that I use, the funnels, everything in between. I'm giving you my business in a box and a campaign that's been generating roughly $1,000 per day since January 23rd, 2023. This is a brand new campaign. It's been just over 2 weeks since we started this, and this thing's already producing $1,000 per day. And I'm going to allow you to do two things. You can either do the work yourself, and you can take my assets, copy them, and then simply upload them into your business. Or I can do all of the heavy lifting for you. My team and I will upload all the videos. My team and I will send out all the emails. My team and I will do everything that I've been explaining for the past 2 weeks in all of my previous videos. This is a complete white glove, done for you service. Now, if you made it up to this point, you understand exactly the value that I'm bringing to the table here. Now, if you're somebody that's brand new, I would encourage you to go back to video 1 if you're just getting started with this, and start with video 1 and watch video 1. Watch video 2, watch video 3. Watch at least the first 3 to 5 videos. And if you like what you see and you want all those action steps that I lay out done for you, where my team will do all of the actions that I show in those tutorials, then you'll want to watch this video till the very end. So before we move forward, go ahead, number 1, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because I'm consistently giving you guys proven affiliate marketing campaigns that you can go ahead and duplicate. So let's do what we always do in the beginning of every video, where we show you guys the results up to this point. So we've got multiple income streams that we're working with here that you're going to be able to plug into. The first income stream is E1U Life. In this income stream, we've generated over $7,000. So $74.97.14. I'm just putting this all into my iPhone here. We're going to add up all these income streams. The next income stream is HBA, Home Business Academy. That is $1780.80. Let's go ahead and add the next income stream, which is MLGS, My Lead Gen Secret. That's $935. And by the way, you guys get a copy. Everything that I'm listing here as far as the proven products, you get a copy. We've got multiple income funnel right here, 1170, plus there's an amount ready to be paid out. And again, this is since the 23rd of January, $666 right here. And then we've got one more income stream. So far, we're at $12,048. We've got one more income stream, which is the good old YouTube channel from ad revenue that's generated $1,629 roughly. And that's $13,677. I don't know if you guys can see that here on the iPhone. And we can divide that by the amount of days, which we're at the 23rd to the 6th. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 days roughly. We're just over 2 weeks. That's $911 per day up to this point that we're at. And you guys are going to be able to copy this whole entire formula. So every single day since day 1, to get you guys up to speed, sort of, for those of you guys that are just getting started, this is the first video that you've seen. For the past 15 days, we've been uploading videos to a brand new YouTube channel. You're able to copy my videos. We've been sending out an email consistently on a daily basis in MLGS, My Lead Gen Secret. We've been setting up a proven autoresponder series with emails that are automatically loaded into this series. We also set up a capture page and created a capture page and a full funnel from a capture page to a thank you page that you were able to copy. So as soon as somebody fills out a name and an email address, they're then sent to, they then receive follow-up emails for the next 60 to 90 days. So you can choose to take all of these emails and load them, send them out yourself. You can choose to upload all the videos, input the video descriptions, upload the YouTube thumbnails. That's completely up to you. I have all the training and everything that teaches you how to do that. You can load up your own autoresponder emails into your GetResponse account as well as MLGS. You could do that yourself. But if you want a complete done-for-you service where my team and I, we do absolutely everything to help you get started in your affiliate marketing business and hit the ground running quickly, then this very video is for you. Now, the only catch is this is going to be for one of two people. If you are on my team in E1U Life and you are activated at the Vertex Live level, again, if you don't know what this is, you need to go back through the training. You need to make sure that you sign up for multiple income funnel, make sure that you've seen the previous first few videos, and then you've gone through multiple income funnels so you understand exactly what E1U Life is. Once you do, you can activate to the Vertex Live level, which will qualify you for $2,000 commissions. And also, as a bonus, this complete done-for-you setup will be 100% free for the next year. That is an insane value. Again, we'll upload the YouTube videos for you. We'll create your YouTube channel. We'll send out the emails. We'll set up your capture page and your thank you page. We'll set up your whole business for you for the next year and get you off and running. And then all you need to do is you start to take the training and start to implement it yourself slowly throughout time. That way we can get you started quickly, and then you can go ahead and you can take the baton at some point and start branding yourself. So this is really a way for you to get started in your affiliate marketing business quickly out of the gate. So that is option one, is you will get this complete done for you package for upgrading to the Vertex Live level. The next option is, let's say that you want this complete done for you package, but you are not on my team. Maybe you're on another team in E1U Life. You have the opportunity to make a one-time payment, which I will list below, and you'll just simply click that link. You'll make your payment, and then we can go ahead and we can set all of this stuff up for you as well. Okay. Now, just keep in mind that when you go ahead and upgrade to Vertex Live, we will send out an email to you where we will list exactly what we're going to need from you. And then all you need to do is provide us with that information so we can go ahead and we can set everything up for you. So I hope this makes sense. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions whatsoever regarding this. I think the bonus for just getting to the Vertex Live level and this complete done for you campaign for the next year is invaluable. The amount of work that goes into my team setting up your YouTube channel, uploading the videos, sending out the emails, setting up your capture pages, your thank you pages, and just completing this whole entire campaign, that the background activities that go into that you don't see is quite a bit of work. So definitely the value well outweighs the price that you're paying. Obviously, you guys have seen the value up to this point. You've seen my results. And so if you want to start duplicating these results, this is 100% for you. So go ahead, complete the action steps below, get upgraded to Vertex Live. And if you aren't on my team, maybe you're on another team, you've already activated E1U Life, you can still, of course, get access to this done for you service. There will be a separate link for that below as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited for those of you guys that take up this offer and hit the ground running. It's going to be a very, very exciting 2023.